Omorero Esukuru ya secondary ya St Paul's Igonga koya niko bona ABAOBISA bekyombe gya DCI bachakirie OBOTUKI kegima iryo kwenekia EGEKORE ekyo nabo iko kwenekia n'omukonyi bwe county umukonyi wa commissioner bwe county ya Kisii South Grace Auma uyu asayenekire buna aboroki wa batano na babere niko batigerwa chingoma chinke n'Omorero hoyo nyara koba gukora imigwa semiroberi ya botambe nyara koba igekugendera muri kito Frida kirubona bwaterero robot oru agotomanya senchero kwikira
Obotuko bogokira lero nige nyumba y'oboraro Esukuru ya secondary ya St Paul's Igonga yabage kuya kolengana n'omukonyi mu county commissioner o Kisii South Grace Auma nigo aenekia aborokigwa babweterana nababwatani bokulimia Omorero kurwa se county ya Nyamira na kwenekia buna ba.
We are here following yesterday's arson. There was a dormitory that was partially burnt or set on fire, but the students managed to bring the fire down. The fire brigade from Nyamira was also here yesterday, and it is something that was manageable. So the students were able to settle and sleep, and this morning we are meeting here at stakeholders because the parents were also interested to see whether their children were hurt or not.
Voigo nigaene kebuna aborokiwa kianda banyora chingoma nigo banyoro bogwenya na kuirana Esukuru nonya nabo nigaene kya obotukigo chakigwa bene elyo komanya ekikirerete Omorero gotiboka.
7 casualties, 9. All the 9 were brought back. They went to the local dispensary here and they were treated and stable. They are all back in school. We are following on the arson. We are waiting. The DCI is on it, and we will soon get if it was electrical fault or it involved maybe a student or if there was an outsider. So that we leave it to the DCI.
Abaiboli nigo bancherwa korora abana babo elyo kwenekia obolendi oboikiranu boigo nigo batwara okuigwana asogokore geikaro kya bene litkoria Jumatano eikigocha elyo gosonsora emechando
So we have met the parents. They have come and they insisted on seeing their children. They have seen them and they are assured that they are safe. We have also assured them that all is well with us. We are taking charge. So we have agreed to have an AGM next week on Wednesday so that the parents can also share their grievances, if any. We have already heard from the students and they have all been addressed.
Nigo bono baenekia korenta omorokio monene omoya Esukuru eyo maiga yokoba asegeka kebwate omorokio monene ntenenera.
Today, we are also installing the new principal because there has been a while without a substantive principal. And maybe that is why there was the challenges. So we are sure this is the last time Igonga is burning. We have brought it to an end. So all the stakeholders are here. The board is here. The security team is here. The director, education and TSC are all present. So out of this, we are very sure we are going to get there.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.